For this week for math, we're going to focus on addition. So the question is, what is addition? We use addition to put two groups together to find a total. So for example, there's 3 ducks in this one group. 2 more ducks join. So we have 2 groups that we need to put together to find a total. The way that we find a total is adding everything together by counting. So let's count the ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ducks all together. So we're going to listen to some addition stories, and then we're going to use counters to show what the addition story is. 2 people are inside the basket of the hot air balloon. So let's use our yellow circles to put 2 inside the basket because the story says 2 people are inside the basket. So 1, 2. Let's keep reading the story. 3 more people joined them. How many more people joined them? 3. So let's add 3 more yellow circles. 1, 2, and 3. How many people are there in all? In order to find out how many there are in all, we need to count all of the circles that we have. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer to the question is there are 5 people in all. Let's look at another story using our circle as counters. So the addition story says 2 red ants are climbing up the hill. So we heard and read the number 2, so let's put 2 counters to represent the 2 red ants. 1, 2. Let's keep reading our addition story. 1 yellow ant joins them. So the story says 1, so we have to follow the directions and add only 1. 1 yellow ant. How many ants are there in all? Remember, in order to find out how many there are in all, we have to count everything. So 1, 2, and 3. How many ants are there in all? There are 3 ants in all. The next addition story will take place on a table. It says 3 red plates are on the table. So let's put 3 red circles to represent the 3 red plates. 1, 2, and 3. 3 yellow plates are also on the table, so we need to use the yellow circles to represent the 3 yellow plates. So there's 1, 2, and 3. How many plates are there in all? So let's count everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 plates in all. And remember that addition, we use addition when we combine 2 different groups of numbers. For our last addition story, we're going to look at this playground. So it says 4 children are near the slide. So let's put 4 circles for the 4 children. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 more children join them. So we need to put 2 more circles. 1, 2. How many children are there in all? Okay, let's count everything now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 children in all next to the slide. For question number 4, 3 children are on the swings. So let's put 3 circles because we know there's 3 children on the swings. 1, 2, 3. 2 more children join them. So 1, 2. The question is asking us how many children are there in all. So we have to count all of the circles that we put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for your addition Google Slides, so this is what your homework will look like. So for Monday, it says your turn. The addition story that you'll be solving says 4 children jump into the pool. 2 more jump in. How many children are there in all? So using these diamonds, you're going to press and drag to represent what's being said in the story.